Ito yung aking favorite cake of all time. Moist chocolate cake. Tara, gawa tayo.
Simpol, luto na,
Let's start off with our dry ingredients. So we have our flour. Yan, sift natin. Always sift your ingredients, ha. We have our unsweetened cocoa powder. I add powdered instant coffee. Yan, tignan mo, may lumps. We don't want that in our cakes. Baking powder, baking soda, salt. Yan. You can actually sift it twice. So that's what I will do. So you want to do that again here. So that's good enough. And ito naman, we will do our wet ingredients. Sobrang easy din. Brown sugar, I'm just adding eggs. And I will add, I'm using golden Fiesta palm oil. I will use half a cup of our palm oil. And I will just combine that there. So simple, no, na recipe. And you don't even need a mixer. So the recipe is so simple. You don't even need an electric mixer. You just need a whisk. So I have my all-purpose cream and my milk. We will add our vinegar. So when we add our vinegar, it will curdle the cream, no? I will also add my vanilla and I will add now my milk mixture. So I just stir everything until everything is properly dissolved. Ito siya, I'm just scraping the sides to make sure that everything's well incorporated. Yeah, no? So these are our two mixtures. And I have my baking pans ready. So I'm going to divide it into two. And I have my wax paper underneath. And also the sides, I will just brush with a little golden Fiesta oil. Yan, we're ready to combine and bake our cake. I will again use my strainer, no? Well incorporated. So look at that, no? It's properly mixed. So we will bake this for around 35 to 40 minutes. Yan. So pasok natin sa oven. And we will now make our custard. Very simple din to. Sugar. I combine my sugar and my cornstarch ng una. And we have our egg yolks. Combine ko na yung aking egg yolks. And I will add my evaporated milk. So, isi-strain ko. Ito yung sinasabi ko sa inyo na if you separate your egg yolks ahead of time, magkakaroon ng crust, no? Kung ano yung nagka-skin yung ating egg yolk. So, we don't want that. Kaya, I really strained it. What you do here is, I can start with high fire para uminit na kaagad yung ating mixture. Hindi natin pinapakuluha. Once naging smoky na siya, nagsisteam na siya, ililipat ko na siya sa really very low heat natin, no? And you have your whisk, no? You want to make sure that you loosen up the lumps. So, ang key mo, malalaman mo siya when you know it's done is that kumakapit na siya sa spatula mo, like that, diba? Kasi it cools down, it will firm up. Look at that, nakikita mo yung ating custard. It's very sticky, no? But now is the time I will add my vanilla extract. And now we can transfer it to a bowl. And you have to let it cool down, no? And here I have my custard. Look at that. So ito yung mangyayari sa kanya. It's already firm. Ito siya, nakadikit talaga yung ating plastic wrap para hindi siya magka-crush, no? Yung magka-skin dito sa labas na matigas and lumpy. So now we are making our chocolate frost. Ko-combine ko lang tong aking cocoa powder, cornstarch, konting baking soda. Why is there baking soda? Kasi yung baking soda nagpapabula ng ating mixture para mas maging smooth siya and it cooks. And salt. Yan. So mix ko lang siya. And now I'm using dalawang klaseng gatas. Yung condensed milk. So look at that now, smooth na siya. And now we will just drizzle in our evaporated milk. Isang buong lata. Scrape the sides. Yan. And now I will use my strainer to transfer it to my saucepan. We start off with high heat. Yun, no? So that level. Then we turn down the heat kasi we don't want our frosting to boil. So So after a few minutes, ito na yung itsura ng ating chocolate frosting. We will add 2 tablespoons of our golden Fiesta palm oil just to finish, no? So just add that. Mix. Look at that, no? Nag-transform yung ating frosting. Looks very nice, or very silky. Transfer into a bowl. Let it cool down to room temperature before using. And now we're ready, no? So, itong cake, as I said earlier, meron akong nagawa ahead of time. And I put this in the freezer. Bakit freezer? Para when I put my frosting and the custard filling, mag-set na siya kagad. So, open it up. And obviously, kailangan natin na may plastic wrap para hindi siya magka-crust sa taas or skin. No. I will just get a little bit of my chocolate frosting. And I will just put it over. Oh, diba? Very nice. Sarap nito. Perfect with coffee. And let's fill our piping bag. No tip, no? Yun lang siya. And let's add our custard. Yeah, going around. Circular motion. So you will notice yung sides ko ay mas makapal. And mag-iwan ako ng konting paste lang sa edge. And put it on top. Yeah, so medyo makapal yung aking custard inside. And you press down. So ito, the first thing we do is we do what we call a crumb coat. No? So ito, kuha tayo ng konting frosting natin. And all we want to do is to cover our cake. Parang primer siya, kung pintura pa, primer siya. Para yung mga crumbs will stay in place. Yan. I'm not much of a cake decorator, pero kaya kong gumawa ng cake na, you know, pag may bisita ka, they'll be happy and satisfied. So, you know, basically, your cake is already covered up. Wala nang naka-expose na mga bare crumbs. So, I'm just using my spoon, the back of my spoon, to create that design on the sides. Dot it on top. Sobrang shiny, di ba? And they are just 3 simple recipes that you combine to assemble this beautiful dessert. Try this at home, ang ating moist chocolate cake, Simpol!